Hello students, welcome back. Today in this video, that is Mind Twister 7, we will discuss another interesting question and will solve step by step. Let us start. But before solving the question, let us first solve the question which I gave you in my previous video, that is Mind Twister 6. And let us first read the statement of the question. And the statement is, a man took certain number of apples to bazaar and sold some of them. The next day, through the orchard of his apples, the number of leftover apples had been doubled, and he sold the same number of apples as the previous day. On the third day, the remaining apples get tripled, and he sold the same number of apples as before. Similarly, on the fourth day, the remaining apples get quadrupled and he sold the same number of apples as before. And on the last day, that is fifth day, the remaining apples get quintupled and he sold the same number of apples as the previous day and dispose of the remaining stock. What is the smallest number of apples he could have taken to market the first day, and how many apples did he sell daily? Let us start with the answer. Let us consider the number of apples on day 1 is equal to x and number of apples he sold every day is equal to y. So apples left will be x minus y. And on day 2 this remaining apples get doubled. That is, on day 2 the total number of apples will be 2x minus 2y. And he again sold the number of apples is equal to y. The remaining apples will be 2x minus 2y minus y, that is 2x minus 3y. Similarly, on day 3, the remaining apples get tripled. That is 2x minus 3y multiplied by 3 is equal to 6x minus 9y, and he again solved the y apples, and apples left will be 6x minus 10y. Similarly, on day 4, the remaining apples get quadrupled, that is 4 times. So multiply this number by 4, we get 24x minus 40y. Solved number of apple will be y. Again, the apples left will be 24x minus 41y. And on day 5, the remaining apples get quintupled, that is multiplied by 5. So if this number of apples on 5th day will be 120x minus 205y, and apple sold is y, and remaining apple will be 120x minus 206y, which he was left on the 5th day. And according to the question, he disposed of the remaining apple, that is 120x minus 206y is equal to 0, or we can say 60x is equal to 103y, and the number which satisfies this equation will be x should be equal to 103 and y should be equal to 60. So number of apples on day 1 is equal to 103 and number of apples he sold every day is equal to 60. I hope you have understood this answer nicely. Let us solve another interesting question, and the statement of the question is, power went off when Aarti was studying and it was around 3 am. She lighted two uniform candles of equal length, but one is thicker than the other. The thick candle was supposed to last for 4 hours and the thin candle 1 hour less. When she finally went to sleep, the thick candle was twice as long as the thin one. For how long did she study in the candlelight? Let us understand the question diagrammatically. These are the two candles, each of length L. Both candles are of equal length. The thick candles last for 4 hours. That is, thick candle burns for 4 hours and thin candle burns for 3 hours. So length burnt in 1 hour will be L by 4 for thick candle, L by 3 for thin candles. So as the artist study for XR, so length burnt in XR will be XL by 4 for thick candle, XL by 3 for thin candles. And length of candle left after XRs will be L minus XL by 4 for thick candle, L minus XL by 3 for thin candles. Let us solve this question. According to the statement, thick candle was twice as long as the thin candle when she finally went to sleep. That is, L minus XL upon 4 is equal to 2 times L minus XL upon 3. If we solve it, we get the value 12 is equal to 5x, or x is equal to 12 by 5 hours, or we can say x is equal to 12 into 60 by 5 minutes, or is equal to 24 minutes. That means artist studied for 24 minutes in the candle light. I hope you have understood this answer nicely. Let us move to the next question. This question is for you to solve at home. I will give the solution for this question in my next video. Let us read the statement of the question. 1,000 cats were kept under observation to check their growth rates. After 6 months, there were 1,000 R cats. At the beginning of the third year, there were roughly 2828 R cats, that is 2828 R cats, which is 4 times more than the scientists placed at the beginning of the first year. If R is a positive variable, how many cats would be there at the beginning of 11th year? I hope you have understood this question. If you face any problem or have any doubt, do write in the comment section. If you like my video, share it with your friends and classmates, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for regular updates. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.